This is going to be about organizing. This one's going to be a little more complicated. It's better for me to show you this in person, but I wanted to put this on here just in case. Like if you accidentally, let's say you accidentally double click on one of these. Let's just go with like the underbar lights here. We accidentally double click on it. Now you notice all the tabs are gone down here. And what's happened is this window for the underbar lights is no longer tabbed with all of the other windows. It's on top of them all. You can't see it. So if you click up here at the very top and you click and drag, you'll notice as I drag, a bunch of arrows pop up. Now I'm still holding. You can also see that I'm moving the window around and that there's these arrows here. So all these arrows that have popped up, there are different ways to organize this page. Now the way I've been doing it is I've gone to the very center of the middle set here, and then if you release when you're holding on that, it will put that tab back. See, that's how you add tabs here. But if I didn't want to do that for whatever reason, if I double click on this again, for example, I click on this window and grab a hold of it, and let's say I move all the way over to this tab right here. You see how it highlights a different segment of the window? If I go all the way up here, there's it, I can't see. Highlights that area. If I go all the way over to this tab here, it highlights a different area. If I go all the way to the bottom, highlights a different area. So for example, let's say if we go over here and I let go of it here. So now what it did is it created 3 windows. So we still have the main window that we had all the tabs on, but we have this other window that is now separate. So if you find there are fixtures within this list that you want to be able to see always, that you don't want to have to tab between or change, or you wanted them to always be on top, you can take that window off and reorganize it. Now you can do that as many times as you want. You can resize this window. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can make it take up as little or as much space as you want. Now if you decide, I don't like that, I want to put it back, you're going to just grab this here. You're going to click and drag. We're going to move over here to the middle where there's these arrows here. We're going to go back to the middle here and let it go. And you can see it puts it here at the end. Now if you don't like the order that these are in, you can grab this tab here and you can just slide it over. We can just move it sideways and we can decide where we want it in this list of tabs here.